So I get the question a lot about how I use meditation and visualization to help heal myself. And I often say I think those two tools were the biggest part of my recovery, in addition to a plant-based diet. So meditation helped me to relax. It helped me to calm down. It helped me to get rid of fear. It helped me to get connected to myself, to trust my instincts, to know everything was going to be okay. It helped me to hear my gut instinct a lot louder. And so it let me know that I was on the right track. So that meditation just calms the brain, takes everything down a notch and says, pause, time out, doesn't matter what else is going on, take a break. And then by the time you're done with it, you know everything's going to be okay. And so I would use meditation and visualization in conjunction. So meditation helped me to calm my brain down so that I could actually do a visualization. So I would first meditate for 15, 20 minutes. And I even took it a step further during my meditation process by getting a little machine that swings your feet back and forward. It's called the chi machine, and it helps put oxygen in your blood. So it oxygenates your blood, which is what happens when you exercise and do other things. You get oxygen in your blood, and cancer doesn't survive very well in a highly oxygenated blood. So I would use this chi machine to do that in an easy way without introducing free radicals. Anytime you exercise and things, even though it's beneficial, free radicals are created. But when you're just rocking back and forth, you're just getting good oxygen and nothing else is going on. And it has the effect of making you relax. So I would use that to help relax while I was doing my visualization. So first I would start, slow down, meditate for 15 minutes. And then I'd often start with a prayer, or just start with something and meditate for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And then after that, I would visualize. And I always tell people to visualize what feels good to you. No one can tell you visualize this, but what felt good to me was visualizing the cancer tumor shrinking and shrinking and shrinking and shrinking until I couldn't see it anymore. It was about a centimeter. And so I'd visualize that until it got to about the size of a head of a pin, and then so small that it was gone. And that is one of the many visualizations I would do, that it would just be completely, I would just see it shrinking and shrinking and shrinking in my mind. I had a very vivid image of it until it was gone. And I would do that slowly or multiple times. Other times I would see this little tumor exploding and exiting my body. So it's whatever felt good. And you know you're doing it right when you feel good afterwards. That's how you know your meditation has been successful. When you feel good afterwards, you know that your visualization is successful when you feel good afterwards. And so I would feel phenomenal after doing a visualization and meditation. And that's when I stopped saying I had cancer, because in my mind, I had just healed it. And I knew that the body follows the mind. It has no choice. And so that's one of the techniques that I teach people to do, dealing with a lot of issues. It doesn't have to just be your physical body. It can be anything. And it's a very powerful tool that anyone can do for free.